Hi Charger Engineer, it's Dr. English, and it's time to register for your fall classes. In Module 4, you should have submitted your list of classes for review by an advisor. Depending on the volume of students, the engineering advisors might take several days to respond to you about any issues that need to be addressed. However, we encourage you to register for classes using that list of courses and then adjust it as needed. So let's talk about registration. There are 3 phases in the registration process. First, you plan your schedule using the registration tools. Second, you register and confirm your classes. Third, you make adjustments as needed to account for any new academic credit or personal needs in your daily schedule. Everyone's needs are going to be a little different. So when planning your schedule, you need to think about what's best for you. Let's start with the number of hours you need. Maybe you're going to take a full load of 17 hours, or maybe you need to take a reduced load to account for a work schedule or maybe an athletic practice schedule. Next, what time of days work best for you? Are you a morning person? Are you a night owl? Do you do better concentrating in the morning or rather in the afternoon? So choose your courses accordingly. Finally, do you have any constraints on your schedule? Maybe you have an athletic practice or you're part of the pep band. Maybe you work. Make your schedule based on those constraints. Now, let's review the tools that you can use to plan your schedule and register. There are 3. The first is Schedule Planner, which you can access at my.uah.edu. Then the Master Schedule of Classes, which you can find on the UAH website. Third, the Banner Course Registration System. Let's start with the Schedule Planner tool, which you can find at my.uah.edu under Student Services and then under Registration. This is a tool that allows you to select a list of courses and look at all the possible schedules that exist. You can search through possible schedules and converge to a schedule that works best for you. There will be a few demonstration videos on how to use Schedule Planner later in this module. Now let's look at the Master Schedule. This exists on the UAH webpage. You can find it at the link above, or go to uah.edu and type Course Schedule in the search window. For every department or program, there's a list of classes for a particular semester. Let's look a little closer. Now let's look at a math course page in a little more detail. Now this is just a selection of math courses. The far left column designates the modality. T for traditional, on-campus classes. S for synchronous online. Students must be online at specific times. And A is for asynchronous online, where there is no specific class meeting time. The next column is the course registration number. Fall courses always start with a 9, while spring courses start with a 1, and summer courses start with a 6. The next several columns include the course number, course title, course section number, and the number of credit hours. Sometimes the section number refers to something unique about the class. Here, the H sections mean that the classes are for honors college students. The next several columns are related to the course enrollment. From left to right, the first column is the total number of seats in the course, followed by the current enrollment, and then the number of seats that are remaining. The next column tells you how many students, if any, are waitlisted for a specific course section. This is followed by the days and times for a course. Typically, if the course is TBA, it's an asynchronous online course. Note that R stands for Thursday. The next columns indicate the building and room location, if known and to date. In the resources page for this module, you'll find a list of building abbreviations and a campus map to see where these buildings are located. The last column is the instructor, again if known and to date. TBD or staff means that the instructor has not yet been identified. It does not mean that the course will likely be canceled. Then there is the Banner Course Schedule tool, where you complete the registration process and can also search, add, and drop classes. You can find this at my.uah.edu as well, under Student Services and then under Registration. We will use this tool in demonstrations in this module as well. I hope you'll join me later in the module where I'll demonstrate how to use all of these tools. Thanks for watching.